So I'm going to give you a couple of really hot tips how to use AI tools more effectively and efficiently. First of all, forget typing and texting. It's a nightmare, it takes forever, and AI doesn't need to have it spelt perfectly or grammatically correct. So what I love to do is if you use a Mac, set up the keyboard shortcut for audio, and it makes life a lot quicker. So what I'm going to show you is a way that I'm able to use multiple different AI tools to create a document really, really quickly. So context is the most important thing. I've had a meeting with a potential client. From that, we've gone through, we've got lots of information out of them, what they need, everything else. Had a huge conversation. It's probably about an hour and a half long. We upload that transcript straight into ChatGPT, and without typing, purely just through talking to it, I'm able to then create the prompt. So from this discovery transcription, I want you to create a prompt proposal for Gamma that allows me to then present this back to the client with everything that I've suggested, use my tone and style and my strategy methodology. Done. Now, because I've done this a few times, it knows exactly what to create, and it's going to do that. And even if I haven't got the spelling correct, it's going to still work. Now, hopefully this happens in real time. I might have to hit pause, and then I'll show you exactly what it's able to do. Done. So now I've got the prompt, take that prompt, and all I do is I go into my Gamma tool. These have all been set up and structured correctly for exactly what we're doing. I know what's needed here. So this is a 17 slide deck. We go to create it. It already knows our style. It already knows our way of talking. It already knows our methodology. And so that's already applied. And just like that, make sure it's got enough cards in there. I'm going 15, generate. And before you know it, all that contextual information, the way that we work, our methodology, the way that we think, is all structured into a proposal that then gets built for us, that we can then tweak and draft, and that gets to about 80% of what's required, which is a hell of a lot quicker than having to start from scratch. And just like that, we have a completed proposal. Now, obviously this is not final, but the idea being that it's got 80% of the way there. That allows us to then present something that's really strong, has all the information, understands exactly how we work, understands our methodology, puts everything in that it needs to. Now this works for any industry. You just got to make sure you're setting everything up correctly in these different platforms. But there you go, there's a quick way to use audio instead of text, using one AI tool to create a prompt for another, and you end up getting far more contextually aware output. So remember, use audio, don't type, talk to your AI tools, use one AI tool to create the ultimate prompt that's full of context, use the recordings, use information from past meetings where possible. That will create the ultimate way for you to get the best output from AI.